Good morning guys, it's the end of the month. As promised, we will be rewarding every individual who will perform well. For the first category,
Most punctual April 2024, Mr. Cristobal.
Boss Winjing.
Mas hindi.
Of the month.
Wait lang. Picture. Kaya sama kayo. Tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Lang din.
Salamat everyone.
And what else?
Okay na.
That most punctual is, no need for explanation. If your time is 8 to 5, you can expect them to be here on time.
So tomorrow you're late, starting to late.
For certificate of recognition, is hereby awarded to Team Player of the Month. He can get along with everyone, matulungin, initiative, and this certificate goes to
Stage!
Alam niya siya.
Nagulat si Steve ah. Nakiliti si Steve ah.
Nakiliti si Steve, okay.
Yan, si Palata oh. Yes! Thank you po.
Thank you po.
And last but not the least, this is the Employee of the Month. We select this award for the individual who is willing to step up. When you give them the job, they produce the job, and also not only team player, punctuality, cooperative, and many more. We hope that the following month will be more intense, and I would like to give this to
Employee of the month and Best Speedy of the month,
Sir.
Mr. Ramsya.
Ayos.
Congratulations.
Sponsor na. Ano pa?
Ayan, no?
Okay, smile.
John has also approved for A2 visa.
No, 100K.
Congratulations. From what do you call this? From zero hope, now full of hope. Well done. Well done.
Another award. Wait this afternoon, the warrant of arrest from the police.
Inyo lang yung continuous improvement natin. Yung teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes.
Okay, teamwork.
Thank you. Well done.
Okay.
So this month we will also revise our mechanic. We will announce that
For May.
Maybe tomorrow. Tuloy-tuloy natin to, yung re-recognize natin ng bawat isa. And of course, may mga changes tayo sa company. Hindi naman natin na-expect na 100% perfect yan. Magiging mapapalis lang natin yan kung mag-share kayo ng inputs ninyo. So may mga program tayong ini-implement like yung mechanic desk, yung Haynes Pro. Tandaan nyo, yung Haynes Pro next month, magre-renew tayo ng contract. We need to maximize it. Magbabayad tayo ng 400 dyan every month. You can learn a lot of things from Haynes. Again, we don't have the way to go back. We can only move forward. Tandaan nyo, yung ibang workshop, ready na sila for electric vehicle. Tayo, wala pa tayo doon. Sineset up pa lang natin yung foundation natin. We are behind. Dito lang tayo advance. Thank you.